Have you ever felt like the more you chase love, the further it runs away from you? Like you give your heart, your energy, your time, and still end up empty. Let me tell you something. The truth is that real love is never something you run after. It's something that comes when you finally stop chasing and start building yourself. And today I want to share with you why chasing love might be very reason you are hurting and how shifting your focus can change everything. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. This is a space where we talk about motivations, emotional growths, and real life lessons that touch the heart. And if you have been with me for a while, thank you for being the part of this journey. Your presence means a lot. So let's start our topic. When we chase love, we put our worth in someone else's hands. Like we think that if they accept me, I'm worthy. And if they ignore me, I'm nothing. That's not love, my dear. That's attachment. And most times, the more you run after someone, the more they pull away from you. कभी आजमा के देखें जिस चीज के पीछे आप भाग रहे होते हैं वो चीज आपसे उतनी ही दूर जाती रहती है because love cannot survive pressure. It flows freely, not forcefully. So, real love is not found in desperate searchings, it's found in patience. It's found when you are so busy in growing, healing, and focusing on your life that you don't even notice love walking in. The right person will see you at your strongest, not when you are begging to be noticed. Remember this that love that you chase is often temporary, but love that finds you when you are complete, that's forever. Ask yourself that I'm the person I would want to fall in love with. If the answer is no, then start there. Build your mindset, your career, your passions, heal your wounds. Love yourself so deeply that being alone feels peaceful, not painful. Because when you shine in your own light, you don't have to chase anyone. Your energy attracts the right ones. Sometimes we confuse loneliness with the love that we think we need someone else to fill the emptiness inside us. But the truth is that no one else can fill that gap. Only you are the person you can fill that gap. And trust me, this is my experience as well कि आप जितना किसी चीज के पीछे भागते हैं ना वो चीज आपसे उतनी ही दूर होती जाती है अपने आप पर काम करें अपने आप को वक्त दें अपनी फैमिली को वक्त दें the day you learn to sit with yourself or the day you enjoy your own company to stand strong even in silence, that's the day love will naturally find its way to you. So, my dear friends, stop running after people who don't see your worth. Stop begging for the love you deserve. Instead of this, invest that energy into becoming the best version of yourself. And when the time is right, the right love will come. और आएगा वो जरूर आएगा not because you chased it, but because you became someone worth finding. अपने आप पर काम करें, अपनी ग्रोथ पर काम करें, अपनी सक्सेस पे काम करें. If this message touched your heart today, let me know in the comments. Have you ever felt like you were chasing love and ended up losing yourself? I would love to hear your story. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, because together we are building a space of motivations, growths, and emotional healings. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's the coming next. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.